Having AS9100D and an FAA Part 145 certificate is not for the faint of heart. There is an enormous amount of overhead that goes along with that. The original buy-in cost is high and the maintenance cost is high. You have to have dedicated people to manage everything that goes along with it. This is the AS9100 area. This is also our FAA Part 145 area. The controlled spaces, when we're doing products for SCORE that are going to go into the aviation industry or be deployed on aircraft, we have to follow a very tight set of rules and constraints. So we have very specific processes and procedures for that particular area. Lots of guys are manufacturing parts, producing them and putting them out into the field, but they haven't got the quality system in place to do the repairs in the eyes of the FAA. We have the same quality system as Boeing and Airbus, right? We all work to the same standards. That's the guarantee that when we're done with a product, we know every part that's in it, we know exactly how it went together, we have traceable artifacts for how it goes so that it can go onto the aircraft safely. Again, it's right-sized for the demand, it's scalable and modular, and we've got the credibility. The FAA comes in here regularly, and every time they come in, they're like, yep, you guys are doing it right.